Hey guys, what is going on? So in today's video, I will be installing these Godspeed tow arms that I just picked up. So in one of my previous videos, I had installed camber arms and tow bolts, but I guess the tow bolts weren't enough to bring it to spec or whatever because the height I'm at. So I figured I'd just pick up these tow arms. And yeah, so we're gonna install that. I already got the car on the lift, or on the jack stand. So yeah, let's get into it. So to start, you're just gonna wanna take the wheels off just so that you can get to the bolt on this side of the arm, just a little bit easier and stuff. You probably can do without it, but I mean, it takes a couple seconds, so I might as well take the wheels off. And yeah. The tools you're gonna need is a 17 millimeter for this bolt here, both sides. And I do have an aftermarket camber or tow bolt on the other side, so it could be different for you, but I am using a 18 and a 19 on that side. So yeah, that's pretty much it. Just take this bolt out and take that bolt out right there, and this should come right out. All right, so I got the first tow arm out on this side here. So pretty much, I think one of the easiest ways to do it is just kind of hold this up to the old one, the new one up to the old one, and just kind of set it to how that one was. And then when you put it on the car, you can kind of just dial it in better afterwards. All right, so I got the tow arm on. Just gonna put the wheel back on now and then adjust the camber and the tow at the same time and try and dial it in pretty good. And I'll go to the other side. Alright guys, so I installed everything, tightened everything up. I kind of did this kind of eyeball alignment. I don't recommend that, but I'm just going to drive on these tires till they're pretty much shot and then get new ones and then get a proper alignment and stuff. So it's looking pretty decent right now. It's not too bad. Yeah, that's gonna be it for this video. If you enjoyed it, please like and subscribe. Check out my other videos if you haven't already, and I will see you in the next one.